Hi! In this video, we'll look at the Shipping tab of the Configure Store wizard within ECC. Here, I'm going to specify the QuickBooks item to use for recording shipping charges and configure how to ship orders using ECC. First, I select the QuickBooks item for shipping charges. ECC will pull in all the items from QuickBooks that are service items or other charge items. I could go ahead and select delivery charges as the item I'd like to use for this demo. If you don't see an item on this list that you'd like to use, you can always go into QuickBooks, create the corresponding item, and come back here and hit the refresh button. Next, I'm going to specify whether my orders require shipping or not. If you don't need to ship any of your orders, you can simply select No and move forward. I'm going to go ahead and select Yes. As soon as I select that option, ECC presents some additional settings. I can select the shipping processor. ECC currently supports UPS WorldShip, FedEx, Endicia, Stamps.com, United States Postal Service without postage, and QuickBooks Shipping Manager. Or, if I'd like to enter shipping details manually into ECC, such as the tracking number, I can also do that. This will typically be the case if you're using a drop shipper, or if you're using a shipping carrier which ECC is not compatible with. Let's go ahead and select the first checkbox. Now, I can go ahead and select the corresponding shipping processor I'd like to use and hit the Configure Shipping button. For this demo, let's take a quick look at the UPS settings. For more details on each of the shipping processors, please refer to the corresponding video demo. For example, if we're using UPS WorldShip, we simply specify the folder to use for UPS WorldShip XML, and we're going to specify default settings for every shipment. Let's say I process most of my shipments with Ground, and I use the UPS Medium Express box. I'd like to use delivery confirmation. I'd like to use the order date as my reference number, the order number, and the declared value as my order total. I can also specify the default length. I can specify different options for pickup and quantum view notifications. Again, all of these options are going to vary depending on the type of shipping processor that you'd like to use. Let's go ahead and close out of this option. You can also enable ECC to use a weight scale. Next, we can map shipment methods with QuickBooks. Depending on the type of shipping methods that you have configured in your online store, ECC will bring in an entire list of methods that it found. Now, you can specify which method you'd like to match it to within your QuickBooks company file. Let's go ahead and save and hit close. If you'd like details on configuring a particular shipping processor with ECC, please refer to the corresponding video demo. We'll hit save and continue and move to the next tab, which is Taxes and Discounts.